channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to reconnect Birdfy camera after changing Wi-Fi router. New network setup guide. So guys, to prepare your network and the phone, ensure your new Wi-Fi router is broadcasting at 2.4 GHz network. Then you connect your mobile phone or tablet to the exact 2.4 GHz network. Then turn on your Bluetooth on your phone and ensure the Birdfy camera has Bluetooth permissions. Okay, after that factory reset the device. So bring the camera inside, close your router and press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to the power button if it is on, if not already on. Okay, then guys, locate the small reset button under the rubber flap near the charging port on the back of the camera. Then you use a pin and paper clip. Press and hold the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds until the camera emits a sound and indicator lights flashes. Okay, then reconnect through the app. So for reconnect, open your Birdfy app, tap the option of plus icon on the camera home screen and select your specified bird camera model. Scan the QR code located on the camera's body when the prompt by the app, then double press the power button on the camera to enter the pairing mode. The app will detect the camera via Bluetooth, then select your new Wi-Fi network and enter the password. So this is the way that you can do it. And guys, thank you.